Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dee Dee with Dee Dee at Home, and I'm finally here sharing with you my fall 2021 fall home decor video. I did not do a lot of things new here for fall 2021. It's actually everything that I used last year. So if you are interested in finding out where I purchased all these things from, I will link my fall 2020 home decor haul video where I explain to you where I purchased everything from. You guys know that I live in Texas and it's very hard for me to get into the fall swing of things because it is still like 90 plus degrees outside. So I finally said, let me go ahead and get everything decorated because I will be decorating here in November for Christmas. So if I didn't go ahead and get everything put out, it probably was not going to happen. So I hope that you like this video. It's very short. Like I said, I didn't put a whole lot of effort into buying new things and changing it up. But I hope you do like what I have here. And if you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past.
So everything on this island I actually purchased from Hobby Lobby if you're interested. I know every year they pretty much have a lot of the same things, so check it out if you're interested.
Maybe we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Maybe we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Maybe we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling.
And all of the larger size pumpkins, like this grateful one and all the rest of them that you'll see in this video, I usually purchase all of those from HOMEGOODS. So, they always have great pumpkins for great prices. And usually all of the different flowers and stuff like that that I put in the different vases, I purchase all of those from Michael's.
'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. listen to them.
We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this quick fall home decor video. Like I said, I will be decorating for Christmas next month in November. You guys know, if you are new to my channel, Christmas is my absolute favorite time of the year, my favorite season. So I definitely go all out for Christmas. And also, you guys, I am getting ready to completely revamp my living room. I'm just over the navy blue. I'm looking forward to changing it completely different. So stay tuned for those videos coming soon. I'm not sure how quick it will take me to transform the living room, but I'll be making changes as soon as I can. I'm just trying to make sure that I've decided on a correct design theme. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing and share this video and any of my other videos with people that you know, so we can go ahead and grow this channel. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.